Hello traders, and welcome back to another edition of Hotspots, where we talk about the high impact news events that are coming our way very soon. That way we don't get caught off guard while we are trading. In today's video, we will be discussing the dates of November 29th, that's Wednesday, through Saturday, December 2nd. Beginning with Wednesday, it is worth noting that early on we'll have a scheduled high impact event at 3 a.m. Eastern out of Europe, followed by 8:30 a.m. high impact news out of the US. Then at an arbitrary time of 10:05 a.m. Eastern, we'll have high impact news coming at us out of the UK, and then on the opposite end of the day at 8:30 p.m. Eastern, we'll have high impact news out of China. As we work our way into Thursday, it is worth noting that there will be OPEC meetings going on, so be on the lookout for a volatility at any time during Thursday day. Other than that, as far as scheduled releases at 8:30 a.m. Eastern, we'll also have high impact news out of both the US and Canada, and that does it. And then we work our way into Friday, where we'll find news again at 8:30 a.m. out of Canada, but not out of the US this time until 10 a.m. and 11 a.m. respectively. Nothing going on Saturday. Enjoy the weekend, and I'll see you in the next one.